Pull that out of there. Oops. Let me see if I can pull this down. Whoops. Sorry, Mary. There we go. Sorry. Oh my goodness, what a big, beautiful blanket. Let's see if we can, oop. Yes, this is from your family. Wow. Let me get this out of the way now. Do you see what's on it? Do you see that? Oh, it's beautiful. Look how big. You could wrap 3 of you in here. Do you love it? Yeah. Oh, it's so beautiful. That'll look really good on your bed, won't it? Should we leave it on your lap and open the other bag? Okay, let's leave it right there. And there you are. Can you get that one? Woo! You got a t-shirt? Look at that smile. Let's see. There we go. You want to see the picture? Let's see here. What do you think? That'll be a nice one, won't it? Goodness, it's beautiful. That eagle on it? A couple eagles. Yay! All right, let's see what's next, shall we? Oh, some comfy pants. Gotta love comfy pants.